I mean, I'm just gonna record Hoover's whining.
Flossie, go get the kitty. Flossie, get the kitty. Flossie,
go get the kitty, Hoover. Go get the kitty, Hoover,
Flossie, get the kitty. Flossie, Flossie, get the kitty.
Go get the kitty.
Touch it again on the rest of the dog. Pet the cat real quick.
We won't ride you along.
Oh, my baby Hoover.
You want to move that thing from above it so when the shit hits the fan it doesn't knock it over?
I don't think it will knock it in. Okay.
Hoover.
I think you should still move it.
You're okay.
Get him! Why you won't hold him, right?
Yeah, babe.
We hung and he hit like right in my face. I didn't know if he was gonna try to climb my face or what. I had to get him off of me.
Oh.
Oh, come on.
Flossie touched him.
Good tail.
Dude.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
Flossie touched him.
Marz distracted.
Do it again.
Hoover, you're an idiot.
Hoover.
Push Flossie.
Flossie's remarkably smart.
Push Flossie. No, Hoover, no, don't, no, Hoover, no.
Marz has got that evil eye in him.
You want to come outside and play with me? No, I want to go outside.
Ah.
Flossie went out.
Hoover.
I blocked the door.
Why?
Put the cat on the ground.
Oh.
Leave him be.
Hoover, is this strange for you?
Yes.
This is the first time we ever got a new pet with you. She's hiding behind Alyssa. No, Hoover.
Oh, did you see paw? Oh, did you see Marz's paw go up?
This is my dog.
Are you in attack position?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hoover, are you sitting on my foot?
Jump through the window.
I'm gonna go pick
Are you excited to see the kitty, Hoover?